You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Get ready to blast away dirt and grime with the Sunjo SPX3000-QW2 electric pressure washer. Powered by a 14.9 amp motor, it delivers up to 2,200 pounds per square inch of rated pressure and 1.1 gallons per minute of rated flow for fast, efficient cleaning. Tackle driveways, decks, patios, siding, and more. Cut through grease, mildew, and stuck-on stains with confidence. 3 quick connect tips allow you to go from intense jet to gentle spray to suit the cleaning task. Need extra reach? The 20-foot high-pressure hose and 35-foot power cord help you clean farther without constantly moving outlets. Rugged wheels make it easy to roll from one spot to the next. It also handles water inlet temperatures up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit and pressure up to 101 pounds per square inch. And at about 24 pounds, it's easy to carry, store, and pull out whenever messes show up. Plus, it is accessory packed with a foam cannon, wheel and rim brush, utility bristle brush, and transfer adapter, backed by Sunjo's 2-year warranty. For the power and performance you want, go with Joe. Get equipped.